School is over now. I can hear the bell and see my friends. I need my bag now. Mom will be waiting for me.
Mia, please listen carefully. Your mother called the school today.
I walk home today? I have never walked home alone before.
Walk slowly, Mia. Stay on the road you know well. Stop before the road. Look both ways, then cross safely.
I feel nervous, but I can take one slow step. I will go now. I will remember the safe rules. The hall is quiet now. My friends are going home too. I know this way. I walk here every school day. One step, then one step. I do not need to hurry.
You are doing well, Mia. Keep your eyes open.
Goodbye, Miss Green. I will walk slowly and carefully. Outside is next. I can feel the big street waiting. This road looks big today. It feels bigger without Mom. First step. My shoes know this sidewalk very well. I will walk slowly. I will stay on the familiar road. Mom said, "Be careful." I can hear her voice in my head. I stay on this road. I do not take a shortcut. I stop here. The road is not a place to run. I wait for green. Waiting is part of being safe. I wait. The car goes first, and I stay still. Now I cross. I keep my eyes on the road. I am careful. I walk straight to the other side. I did it. The first road is behind me now. I know this bakery. Mom buys bread here on Fridays. It smells warm. The bread makes this street feel friendly. My home is this way. I remember the yellow sign. I keep walking. The bakery is my first little sign. This is the bus stop. I see it every morning. The number is 5. I can read this sign clearly. I rest a little. My feet are tired, but I am okay. Time to go. Home is still a little far. The park is quiet today. I can hear the leaves. I know this path. It goes past the small pond. The leaf is small. It is walking with the wind. I am okay. I can breathe slowly and think clearly. Is it raining? I should find a dry place soon. can wait here. The rain cannot touch me now. The rain is soft, but the street feels strange now. Stop and breathe. Mom says slow breathing helps my heart. I can go home. I just need to think first. I will continue. I know the bakery is nearby. This is not right. I do not remember this corner. Where am I? Everything looks quiet and different. I feel scared. I want Mom, but I must think. I see the bakery. That warm light is my sign. I know now. I turned too early before.
Hello, Mia. Are you walking home from school today?
Can you help me, please? I think I turned too early.
I think I turned too early. Go straight, then left. Your street is near the bakery.
Thank you, Mr. Park. I feel better when I know the way. I am back. The warm bakery light helped me find the road. I am brave. I was scared, but I kept walking. I wait again. I know the rule, and I can use it. I look left. I look carefully before I move. I cross safely. This time, the street feels smaller. My street is here. I know these houses and gardens. I am almost home. My feet feel tired and happy. I see home. The porch light looks like a smile. I made it. I walked all the way home. I am home. I feel small, but also strong. Mom, I am here. I came home by myself.
Mia, you are home. I was waiting and thinking of you.
I walked alone. I was scared, but I remembered your words.
I am proud of you. You were careful and you were brave.
Home feels warm. I like the light and the quiet. Hi, Mia. Did you walk on the big street?
Well done, Mia. You used your eyes and your good thinking.
The road felt long, and the rain made me nervous.
You remembered the rules. That helped you come home safely.
My shoes walked home today, and I walked with them. I can be brave. I can feel afraid and still keep walking.